Hi, Amma.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Me, I'm getting ready for our maths class. We are going to learn addition and subtraction today.
With book, pencil, and eraser.
We don't need books and pencils and erasers. We will learn it through games today.
What? How?
You want to know how?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Let's get started then.
Yeah, okay.
Different children, they have different interests. Yes, few children like games, few children like painting or drawing, and few children, they like to look at pictures. So depending upon what is the interest of our child, we should build activities so that we can teach different concepts to them. Now, if your child likes to play games, then you can use these ideas, you can use these activities when you're teaching mathematics, especially addition and subtraction to them. Yeah?
Are you ready, Amma?
Yes.
Shall we start playing?
Yes. Now dear friends, I really don't know if me playing cricket is a good idea or not, but I can tell you definitely that using games is definitely a great idea to teach mathematics to your children, especially addition and subtraction. How do you ask? It's very simple. So when you are teaching addition, then you can use the concept of batting. In batting, what happens? When we are keeping a count, when we are keeping an account of the total number of runs, then what are we doing? We are adding. It is nothing but addition. And when it comes to overs, so in an over, there are 6 balls. And once the bowler has bowled 1 ball or 2 balls, then you keep on subtracting that number from 6. So isn't that simple? Use batting to teach addition. Use the concept of overs to teach subtraction. It's fun, right? I'm sure that the children will enjoy it. Now let's have a look at the other activities. Yeah? Come on. Now the second game that I'm going to talk about is something which we all have been playing since our childhood days. Yes? And it is still going strong till now. It's a favorite amongst the grown-ups and also the children. And yes, you have got it right. I'm talking about snakes and ladder. Yeah? So this is the board of snake and ladder, as you all know. Now suppose if I am at the 20th position, okay? And my dice, it shows 3. So I should be adding 3 to the number 20 so that I go to the position 23. Yes? So from 20, once I have got 3, I would say 1, 2 and 3. And now I can explain that 20 plus 3 is 23. See? It's so simple, right? That we can teach math, that we can teach addition using such simple things that children really enjoy. Now let's go to the next activity, which I would highly suggest that you move it outdoors. Alright dear friends, so before we move on to our next activity, I have here my little friend and he has a message for you all. And what is that? If you are liking the content so far, then do like the video, share it with your friends, also subscribe to this channel, hit on the notification bell icon. So this, my dear friends, is the next activity. Now what is this? Most of us might have played this during our childhood days. Yes? Now this game I'm showing here indoors because of space constraints, but I would highly suggest you to move these outdoors if you can. Okay? So as you can see, I have placed numbers from 1 to 10. I have placed numbers from 1 to 10. Okay? So I have placed numbers from 1 to 10 as I have shown to you. Now our player, he is at the number 1 position. I have a little dice here in my hand which I am going to shuffle now. And once I have shuffled it, I have got number 2. So the player, he should be moving forward by 2 steps. So when he moves forward by 2 steps, he would be at the number 3. So now our player is at the number 3 position. He is at number 3. So once again I take the dice and then I shuffle it once again and now I get the number 4. Okay, so from 3, if he moves 4 steps ahead, then 4, 5, 6 and 7, he would land at the 7th number. Yes, so here what you can explain to your child is moving forward is addition, and when you come back, when you move backwards, then it is subtraction. Yes, dear friends? So did you see, dear friends, that using the simple games that we play usually, and then the games that we can easily find in our homes, how we can teach addition and subtraction to our children? Yes, that was quite fun, right? I would love to hear from you that do you also use such games, or what kind of games do you use, so that I can also try it. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you like this video, then do share it with your friends, because even they might find it to be helpful. And also consider subscribing to this channel, and also hit on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. I will see you all very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourselves. Bye.